kids, welcome back to our EVS class. How are you all? Okay. Now day 3, lesson number 3, care for our body. And today we are going to deal with page 24 and 25. Okay. Now I have told you how to take care of our body. What are the objectives we have learned in this? What are the main points we have learned? Keeping of body cleanliness, keeping the body healthy and keeping the body fit. Keeping the body cleanliness means brushing, bathing, trimming the nails, dressing up neatly. All these activities every day we are doing, that comes under cleanliness. Healthy, eating good fresh fruits, vegetables, good food, nuts, drinking lots of water, milk. This come under keeping healthy, and the exercises, playing games, taking rest and sleeping also. Yes, these all come under healthy, body healthy. And body fitness, keeping our body strong. That means keeping the body straight while sitting, standing and while walking also. To keep our body fit, we need the correct postures. Okay. Now today, a quick mind recap. Okay. Now already I have recapped that. Now see, these are the things which we keep our body clean, healthy and fit. Now see, to stay clean and healthy, here are some important points are given. See here, what is the first one? Brush your teeth twice a day. I told no, morning and before going to bed, you have to brush your teeth twice a day. Twice means 2 times. You have to brush your teeth. Go to the toilet regularly. You should not stop without going for toilet. Okay, it's not good habit. You have to go for toilet and regular intervals of time. Okay, and then never forget to flush the toilet. When you're going to toilet, you have to flush it and go. Understood? If you have no flush commode, then you have to take a mug, put up the 2-3 mugs of water. Flushing means putting of water, and then you have to go for toilet. Ask your mummy once again. Mummy will explain you clearly. Okay. So, never forget to flush the toilet before and after also. Okay. Before using you have to flush the toilet and use, and after using also you have to flush and come out. Understood? So, don't forget. Parents, please explain them. Wash your hands before and after using the toilet also. After going for toilet and after coming and before going, after using the toilet, you have to wash your hands. Understood? And before and after eating also, you should wash your hands. And next, wearing polished shoes. And then trim your nails every week. Okay. And oil and comb your hair neatly. Oil and comb your hair neatly. Have a healthy breakfast. I told no, every day morning, the breakfast should be very, very healthy. And then wear clean clothes. You have to wear the clean clothes. And you should, the main point, first one what? We should always have a bath twice a day. That means in the morning and in the evening also. So have a bath every day. Okay. So this is the mind map which you have learned in this lesson. All these things every day we should follow these things. Understood? So this is the mind map of this lesson. So what we have learned, what you have learned in this, what you have learned, take the correct answer. See, I brush my teeth once a day or twice a day. How many times I told? 2 times means twice. So you have to tick in this box, second box. Yes, every day you are brushing your teeth. Good children. I take a bath. So 1 time you are taking or 2 times? 2 times. 2 times means twice. Put tick here. I take simple exercises. Every day, morning you are doing exercises. Tick first box. Yes? Okay. Choose the correct word. I keep short or long nails. Now see here. Here. Exercise B. Short or long. Like this words, pink color words are given now. See the first question, number 1 question. I am reading it. I keep short or long nails. I will write full question for you for better understanding. B exercise I am saying. I keep short or long nails. One if I do and show, you can do the rest. Now see here, I keep short or long nails. How you have to keep long nails? No, short nails. You have to trim your nails. So S-H-O-R-T, short is correct answer. Underline it and tick mark. Okay, you have to choose it. Correct answer you have to choose. In the pink letters the words are given. Okay, this is first one. Now second one, I wear clean or new clothes every day. Every day you are wearing clean or new clothes? C-L-E-A-N, clean or new? Which is correct? In the second question, clean or new? Every day you will wear new clothes? No, you will wear clean clothes. Only on the special occasions you will wear the new clothes. Yes? So C-L-E-A-N, clean, underline and tick mark also. Done? Very good. Next one, third question, see. I eat cool or fresh food. You will eat cool foods every day? Cool? See. C-O-O-L, cool or fresh. Third question in the next page. Come page 25. See here, I eat cool or fresh food. You have to eat always fresh food. What is fresh? Listen the pronunciation. F-R-E-S-H. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh. Tick it. Underline and tick mark. Next, fourth question. Have you done? Very good. I drink milk or oil every day. What you will drink every day? Oil you will drink? No. Milk? Yes. So milk or oil, which one you will drink? Milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. Underline and tick mark. Okay? Read the spelling. When you are doing, you have to read the spelling. I will give you practice again reading. I drink milk or oil every day. Next one. I sleep for 5 or 8 hours every day. I sleep for 5 or 8 hours. You know the spelling of 5. F-I-V-E, 5 or 8. You can see the pink color words they are given. 5 or 8. How many hours I told you to sleep? 8 hours. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. That word underline and tick mark. So, now you have completed this. Choose the correct answer. Exercise B. Yes or no? So, you have completed this. You have to practice reading also. I keep short nails. I wear clean clothes every day. Like that you have to practice reading. I eat fresh food. I drink milk every day. I sleep for 8 hours every day. Okay? You have to practice reading also. Exercise A and exercise B. Okay? Now, here, exercise C, the notes part. Okay? Already you know, in the second lesson, I have updated in the Google Classroom. I request the parents, again I will upload the notes in the Google Classroom. You can make them to copy in the textbook. This part. You can make them to copy after I upload the notes. Okay? Okay. Now here are the 3 questions. Name 2 activities that keep your body clean. What should you do? Here 2 printed wrong, 2 cut off and do you have to write. That also I will keep in the notes. Before eating food. When does Nitika get up after sleeping in the night? Okay. These 3 question answers I will upload in the Google Classroom. Okay. Now the down exercise you see. Circle time. What is this? Activity. Circle time. Okay. And here there is a activity also with alphabets. You already know the alphabets. Yes or no? See, A, B, C, D. You know all of your alphabets? On this we have a small activity here. A activity is based on alphabets. See there? If A is equal to 1, if number 1 is A, number 2 is B, number 3 is C, and so on, what does this message stand for? Here, I'll write it on the board. this is circle time in this exercise A. Circle time exercise A. So here the numbers are given. Question I am not writing. 8 in the first box. What is the next number? 5. 1. 12. 20. 8 again. And a gap here. Yes, a finger gap is given. And 9 in one box. And in 19 in another box. And there is a finger gap again. And numbers are given again. 23 in one box. 5. Next number 1. 12. 20. And 8. So here the numbers are given here. And you have to find the alphabet. Now to find the alphabets, you have to know the numbers for these alphabets. You know already numbers, no? So, how many alphabets in English grammar I told? How many alphabets are there? I told there are 26 alphabets. There are 26 alphabets. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. See here, more than 26, any number is given? Bigger than 26? No. So first what number is given? 8. So shall we find out which is the 8th letter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What letter I stopped? H. Very good. H. What is the next one? Number 5. Again you have to start from the first only. Whenever you are counting, you start from the first. Okay? See the number 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where you stop? E. Write the E. First, number 1. What is the number 1 letter? Very good. You know. A. What is the next one? 12. So count the alphabets 12 up to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. L. What is the next one? 20. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What letter? T. Very good. What is the next number? 8. So 8, start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Very good. H. So what is this spelling? H-E-A-L-T-H. Health. Very good. You made the word. H-E-A-L-T-H. Health. Okay. Now we will do what is this small word. 2 only. That means 2-letter word. See here how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-letter word. How many letters are numbers are given? That many number words. This is words will come. 9, 19. 2 numbers. 9 is one number. 19 is another number. So 2-letter word will come. Okay, we'll see. First 9 number. Count. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I. Okay. I. 19. Next number. Start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Where you stop? Yes. What is this 2-letter word? You know already this sight word. Is. Very good. Health. Is. Now next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Come fast we will do. 23. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. W. Next letter 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E. 1 means you already know. A. Next one 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. L. See here. Here also 12 L. 12 L. 5 E. 5 E. 1A, 1A. See? Yes? So next one 20. Count 20. Here we have already written 20 what letter? T. Shall we check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. T. What is the last number? 8. Here also last number 8. What letter will come for 8? H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. H. So what is this? W-E-A-L-T-H. Wealth. Health is wealth. Okay, you got a proverb. Health is wealth. Understood? So, this is a small activity with alphabets and numbers. Okay, like that you can do many things. Okay? Okay. Now the exercise B. Now see here. Read what these children say. First girl, Kritika, and the boy is Ketan. I go to park every evening to play with my friends. Okay? And this Ketan is saying, I play games on the computer in the evening, which is good habit. Going to the park and playing outside or sitting always near the computer and playing or in the mobile playing. Which is good? Kritika is good. Going to park and playing with the friends. Okay? So this is good. So who is more fit? Kritika or Ketan? Who will do lots of physical activity, playing, okay, doing exercises, okay, all this who do? They keep the body fit and strong. So Kritika body is very fit. So who is more fit? Kritika or Ketan? Kritika. So Kritika name you have to write in the dash. Okay, all of you? Today I will upload the notes. You have to complete this 3 question and answers by seeing in the Google Classroom. Okay, all of you children? Thank you.